Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Curve Cat. Welcome back to the Good Skin channel. I think I'm gonna change my YouTube name to that, the Good Skin channel. Damn. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Curve Cat. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and please like, comment and share. I always like to have more people talking about my videos, more people sharing my videos, more people commenting. It's nice to see the activity all over my YouTube page. And if you don't know this, and I know people underestimate this information, but I'm being serious, I do have a blog, and on that blog I upload so much information. So if you want to know more about skincare, more about what I use, you can actually just go to my blog, which I'll link in the description box, and then you can read my content there, and then you can check out my blog and then get to know what I'm about. So I haven't done this in a while, and I only realized today that I haven't done this in a while because I realized I had a tube of mask that I haven't used for my mask first impressions, and I'm very excited about this one because it is this Freeman mask, and this mask is a peel-off mask. I was very surprised. It's got cucumber, and cucumber for skin is amazing because cucumber is hydrating, it smooths skin, it clears and all that good stuff. And I was just very surprised to have like a peel-off mask in this entire tube like this. Like, peel-off masks are so expensive. Like, when I saw this, I was like, whoa, hold up, I have to try this. So this is for normal to combination skin, and this one instantly refreshes, clarifies for rejuvenated skin. So this is renewing cucumber. It's a peel-off mask. Can you imagine? This entire tube is a peel-off mask. So I opened it, I smelled it. It smells like cucumber. It smells amazing. It smells fantastic. This one is 175 mils, and I bought it for about 99 rand. Okay, so my budget for this one will be 100 rand because I spent just about below and above that. And I want to do this because it's been quite hot, and I can feel like a little sensitivity going on here because your girl overwashed her face. I actually was naughty last night. I have to make a confession because you guys always think that I'm perfect when it comes to the skin thing, and I have to make a confession because I want to be a good example and set up a good example, So last night I went to bed and I completely didn't wash my face because I just got off a flight. And I was like, you know what? F it, I'm tired. I don't want to shower. I don't want to do anything. I just went to bed without washing my face. So this morning, I kind of wanted to make up for it. So I overwashed my face. Can you imagine? I overwashed my face. So like right about my nose here, I'm having a little bit of sensitivity because I washed a little bit too much. And I just want to cool off. So for me, aloe vera cucumber, it's a very nice option for cooling up my skin, to heal me, just do some nice stuff to it. So let's go right into the description of this mask. So Freeman Beauty, I think that all of us as teenagers, as students, we used Freeman Beauty. Well, at least I did. And I used to be crazy for the charcoal mask. And I used to be nuts for the scrubs. So it's Freeman, St. Ives, and there's another one. Freeman and St. No, it's just Freeman and St. Ives. So I'm going to read this. It says it's a cooling skin quenching mask that gently peels away impurities that can cause skin to be rough and dull. Cucumber and aloe help soothe while moisturizing, like I was saying, cucumber and aloe. Ensuring skin feels soft and silky, smooth after use. Perfect for normal to combination skin. So right now I am going through my normal to combination season, so which is what makes sense because my skin changes almost all the time. And then the directions are: apply an even layer to clean dry face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline and lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off mask from outer edges. Rinse with warm water and use twice a week or as often as needed. What's with my tongue? So guys, I need to confess. The confession is that I have never used a peel off mask in a tube. I'm telling the truth. Yeah, even those charcoal mask thing, those peel-off charcoal mask thing with the glue and what, I've not used those. So it's very exciting to try this one out because I haven't used one in a tube. I always use like a sheet mask and then I peel it off, So I really want to try this. Like I said, this area needs a little bit of attention. So I have my brush here, and the thing is that I'm not sure if I should use my brush or my finger. So I'd rather go for my finger because that's the safest way. Okay, I think I'm gonna use my finger. So let's just go to the ingredients. It says it's got water. Yes. Water first is a big yes, yes. And then it's got polyvinyl alcohol, SD alcohol, backhold. Then why does it have alcohol? Why does it have alcohol? That's very strange. But I guess it depends what type of alcohol it is. It's got glycerine. It's got musa,
sapientum, banana, fruit extract, coconut extract, ginger, okay, so ginger, root extract, guajava, carica, papaya, fragrance perfume, citronelle.
Okay, so basically this thing has a lot of fruits in it, okay? I don't understand half the ingredients here, but what I like is that little nice symbol like social media there, which is very nice, you know? Like I haven't seen that before. Have you guys seen that? Like a Instagram, Facebook thing? I like that. Looks interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this, okay? Without further ado, you know, my mirror situation is actually crazy. So, okay, it's very cold. But then I don't understand. This is very thin. Like, how is it gonna turn into a peel-off mask? Like, I'd like to see that. It feels like gel, and it's okay. Now that it's on my skin, it almost smells like gel for hair. You know, like something from Clicks or something, like a gel. That's how it smells, and this is what it looks like. It's like a clear gel, and it's so slimy. It's like, okay, it's very slimy. It's very cold, so I can see why it would cool my skin. And also, I had kept it in the fridge for a while just to have it even colder. So, like, it's like, oh, okay. And you can see, like, it's like very, very clear. Okay, I don't know. I don't see how this is gonna transform into a peel-off mask, but what do I know? What the hell do I know? Like, yeah. This is super messy. Like, it feels like glue. Like, look on my fingers. Like, it's messy. It's a messy mask. But otherwise, it feels nice. It feels cool. So let's just give it 15 minutes and see what it gives. So I'm gonna set my timer, and let's just unlock this because my fingers are super dirty. And then let's give it 10 minutes because I don't have 15 minutes. I'm gonna give it like a nice 10 minutes, and then we'll see. We'll see. But I don't know how this is gonna feel off, guys. I'm starting to lose faith in this. But I'll be back. See ya later. So guys, it's been 27, almost going on to 28 minutes. And this thing still hasn't dried. So it's still wet, actually, especially like on my chin. It's still very wet here. So I can't exactly wait hours for it. So I'm just gonna stop my timer at 28 minutes and 21 seconds. And I'm gonna try and peel it off because, hello. So I'm just gonna like loosen it on my sides. Oh my gosh, it touched my hair. So, okay. I don't pull my sheet mask like this. I pull it like this. Gravity. Gravity. Okay, guys. Ouch. I just have to do what I gotta do. Because I don't think this is gonna work how I want it to work. Okay. It does have like a holding power, like it does glue onto your skin. Oh, look at that. And I feel better here, to be honest with you. That I'm not feeling that pain I had before I put on the mask. It's much better now. So this is still not dry. That's why it's giving me hassles. I think that I'm gonna wash it off because this thing doesn't want to let go of my life. So I'm gonna go wash it off and I'll come back. Okay. So overall, this mask is good. My skin feels refreshed. My skin feels great. And like I said, like I can feel that these parts I was complaining about are feeling much better than before. But the only thing is that it's very hard to take it off and it takes too long to dry. Like I don't think I put a thick layer for it to stay on and glued onto me like that. It's got a really good suction capacity, like it really sucks onto your skin. And I can see how it can remove impurities from your skin because it really holds onto your pores. So that's something that I like. And the price of it is also really good. And this is, for me, the amount of it in a tube is much better than buying like a whole lot of sheet masks that are peel-off masks. So I am very happy with this. Just the part where it didn't dry and the part where it didn't come off properly, because even when I tried to wash it off, it actually didn't come off properly. I had to use a cloth to wipe it off, but you can see that the results are good. These are good results. I like them. I don't mind them. I absolutely don't mind it. I like this mask. I would definitely recommend it to you and I'll definitely use it. And that's why it made it onto a video, because I liked it. Okay. So I like the mask. I really do. And I'd like for you to try it out. The next time you're looking for a sheet mask, I think that this is a good save. You save, like, look at all this. You'll have so much. Like, seriously, you have a lot of sheet mask. And I think that this could last me a month because I use masks quite a lot. So this will definitely last me a mask. So that's my first impression of it, is that I like it. And Freeman is a company that has been there for years and they have a good reputation. So I wasn't really expecting it to really disappoint me like big time. But I wasn't expecting much more. So I think that it has met my expectations. And yeah, it's good. Definitely out of 5, I can definitely give it a 4 because it's actually worth it. The budget is good, it's not too expensive, and there's a lot in the tube. I can use it for a month. You know, sheet masks are very expensive, so this is a good substitution. So guys, it was very good having you here. I'm very excited to be back and be doing my mask videos, and I can't wait to see you guys again. And subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and then go on to my YouTube. Like, just check me out all over and I'll be there. So thanks guys for being here and see you next week. Bye. I'm out.